is what we do. No guidebooks here, just do it bold. Legends are made in grease and gold. It's more than cars, it's heart and soul, creating drive that takes control. Let's break the mold, stretch the land, chasing the thrill with tools in hand. Welcome to Redskin Garage today, where the sparks fly and tools play. With every twist, turn and grind, you'll find a dreamer's state of mind.
Rust on the doors, oil on our hands, midnight coffee, echoes in the cans, names on the wall, caught with pocket knives, laughing at the neighbors when they say we've lost our minds. Redskin Garage, where the wild wind blows, where the wheels stop, nobody knows. Redskin Garage, where the wild things are. You might think we're crazy, but it's just who we are. Redskin Garage. Old vinyl skipping, smoke in the beams, duct tape speakers, shouting out our dreams. Blueprints dancing on a cold concrete floor. If you're looking for the exits, you already know the door. Redskin Garage, where the wild wind blows, where the wheels stop, nobody knows. Redskin Garage, where the wild things are. You might think we're crazy, but it's just who we are. Redskin Garage. Redskin Garage.
The only two things left is that, and that. That's a cedar stump. This and this is literally two giant poison oak vines. So I'll save them for last. Then I got these little piles of trash everywhere. One here, one there, a little one there, a little one on the other side of the cedar stump. Yeah. Then I'll have to clean up, trying to separate all the poison oak, so I can chuck it in and run. With that fire hole, it burns so hot, it burns clean. They're smokeless, completely smokeless, is what I mean to say. So, maybe I'll just burn it.
Smoke in the air. You clicked on the chaos. Glad you found us here. Bolts on the concrete, old steel stacked in a line. Rust turns to glory when the wrench and the wheel align. First time in the madhouse, step in, don't be scared. Welcome to Red